Hello friends, this is Raj Sastri from Raj Option Trading. Today is June 17th, 2023. Hope you're all doing well. In today's segment, we'll take a look at how to trade options in my favorite indexes and ETFs. So with that, let's jump in and look at the broader market. Look, from a broader market perspective, we got S&P 500 going up very nicely on a year-to-date basis. This is a one-year chart, and we got Nasdaq. Nasdaq is actually doing great, as you can see here, and we got Dow Jones Industrial Average doing great, and same story with Russell 2000. Now let's look at a little bit lower time frame here and see what's going on here. Look, I will go into a lower time frame here, a 10-day 30-minute chart. Look what's going on in the near term here. Look, we got S&P 500 trying to come down slightly, as you can see here. There's a down move in a 10-day 30-minute chart here. Same story with the Nasdaq. It's trying to come down here, and same story with the Dow Jones as well as Russell. Russell is slightly going higher on Friday, as you can see here. This is one of the weaker indices. So at this time, you can see here, markets are really getting tired. They're trying to come down slightly because there is a lot of exuberance in the market. Folks are really a little bit afraid at this time here. That's why market is coming down slightly. So with that, let's jump in here and look at my favorite tool, which is Market Fear and Greed Index from CNN. Look, we are in the extreme greed mode right now. We are at 82. Last week we were at 77. So I could see us coming back to greed mode as we go forward, and I could see market pulling back slightly. And you might wonder why market has gone up so much. Let's take a look at my favorite tool here, which is the Excel spreadsheet. Look what's going on here. We are coming off of a low performance year in 2022. Look, all the major ETFs have done not great, down last year. Look, 2022 S&P 500 down 18.2%. Now it's bouncing back. This is really a bounce back from a bad year. That's what's going on here. Same story with Nasdaq down 32%. Now it's bouncing back here, trying to get to even here, 38% up. Look at SMH semiconductor ETF. It was down 33% last year. Look, it's up 51% this year. What's going on here is really these indices are trying to go up just to make up for last year's loss. So at these levels here, I could see us going maybe say maybe 5 to 10% higher, or even still a little bit less. But I don't expect a great magnificent rally in 2023. Most of the gains are already made. Now with Feds increasing the rates maybe 2 times, I could see us staying at pretty much these levels or come down slightly. That's my hypothesis here. So that's why you got to be slightly careful here. So with that, let's jump in here and look at my favorite index and ETFs and see how to trade profitably. All right, let's go back to my favorite platform, Thinkorswim here. All right, let's go into SPY to begin with here. I will take you to my chart here. Let's look at SPY. All right, SPY is S&P 500, as you can see here. We got a 5-year weekly chart here, as you can see here. We made a nice high over here, as you can see here. Nice high at 480. That was back in let's see here, 12 December 21 here. So from there onwards, we had a little bit tough time, as you can see here. Now we are trying to come back higher. So at these levels here, because market has gone up, very well here. One of my favorite trading strategy is to trade on the bullish side because market is going higher, as you can see here. So you could probably do a put credit spread here at these levels here and make money. That's one of my favorite trading in this market. But now I could see some weakness in the near term here. That's why we are okay to do some calls to trade spread at the top too. So as you see here, let's go into a little bit smaller time frame here, and let's go in here and look at a smaller time frame, 1 year time frame. Look, we're in a 1 year time frame here, and if I make it a little bit bigger here, look, market is slightly wondering where to go. We had a great rally here, and look, we got IV rank here. Let's actually make it a little bit smaller here. Look, from an IV rank perspective, we are at 39. From a let's jump into SPY. So from a SPY, look, IV rank is 0. That tells you you can't make too much money here selling premium. That's why you got to be slightly careful. If you want to sell premium, I would say go lower. Go to delta 15 or so at the put level, put here. And if you want to go on the top on the call side, go to delta 10 or so. That's one of the great way to make money here. Let's go into SPX here. SPX is my favorite trading vehicle. So let's go to SPX. It's great to trade SPX because there's a very good tax advantage. You will get a good 60% long-term tax rate or a capital gain rate, and 40% short-term capital gain tax rate. That's why it's one of my favorite trading vehicles. So what you could do with SPX is you could go into a, a say 33 days out here. Look, we got various expiration dates. I would go to 33 days out, which is a monthly expiration. So you could do here, you could go into delta 10 on the call put side here. Let's go all the way to delta 10. All right, so look, we got actually, let's go to delta 15. That's a good place to be. Look, delta 15, as you can see here, we are right here, 4230. Look, there is a nice 1034 open interest. And look, there's a 4200 here. There's a nice open interest. I would probably stay here because that's the nice and high open interest here. When I'm selling put credit spreads here, I like to look at very good open interest here. That tells me, hey, there is a nice open interest. We call it call put wall here. This is where market makers will hold the line and make sure it does not go below this level where highest number of puts are traded here. That's why this is a good level for a short put short put strike here. This could be one leg in a put credit spread here. And typically, look, we got delta 12 that tells you there's a 12% chance 4200 stock can be below 4200. Actually, stock can be above 4200. We got a high chance here, and stock can be in the money about 12%. That's why this is a good level here. So most of the times, because chance of SPX going below 4200 is just 12%. That's why it's a great level to have a short strike at this level here. So I would say this is a great level. So I could open up a iron condor here and say go right here, sell, and go into sell iron condor right here. And our short strike for the put is 4200, as you can see here, 4200. And now you have to buy back here. Look, we can go back here to 41.75, $25 wide spread. If your account size is a little bit smaller, you could go into maybe say $10 wide spread. If you want to go here, that's okay too. But let's go with the $25 wide spread for this illustration here. Let's go here to 41.75 here. All right, 41.75 as you can see here. And on the call side here, let's go to delta 10 because market is a little bit aggressive these days here. I want to make sure we go at a higher delta, lower delta here. Look at delta 10 here. We got very low open interest here. And look, delta 9 here, 786. I would go here to delta 9 just to stay a little bit safer. and go from there. Look, even at delta right here, look at the open interest here, very high open interest here at 4650. We could even go here. Look, mark is 4.25. That's okay too. Let's go here to be just to be safe here. There is also nice open interest even at delta 4, as you can see here. That's why, one of my favorite strategy is, because market has been going up too much here, you could just do one leg, which is a put credit spread. That's a great strategy. But if you want to do call credit spread, I would urge you to look at high open interest here. In this case, look, this is 8,000 at delta 12. I would even go further down here. Look, we got 4,842 at delta 7. This is a good level here. I would probably go here and look at 4650 for the short call. Let's go here, 4650 for the short call here. All right. So now we have to buy back our, our protection here, 4650, 4650 right here. Nice open interest. We could go to 4675 here, right here, $25 wide here, and we could buy back here 4675. Let's go here, 4675. All right, look, we got our nice iron condor here because the volatility is a little bit low. We are getting a nice $285 here. That's pretty good enough. Let's go into analyze tab here and look at the probability here. Let's go to analyze trade, and I would remove all these things for now here and look at our last trade here. This is our iron condor, and look at break even here. Let's go to break even 721 and make this trade also 721 here. That's how you look at the profitability here or probability. Look, we got a nice iron condor here. Chance of making money is 78%. That's the uh, break even. There's a chance of making money is 71% here. As long as stock stays between these two levels here. Look, we got a break even here on the lower side here, 4197. That's your lower break even. And then we got a higher break even here, which is 4648, as you can see here. As long as SPX stays between these two levels, you would make your $285, as you can see here. This is one of my favorite strategies here. You could confirm and send. And for the folks who are a little bit worried about call side, it might go up. You could just trade the put spread here. Your market is uptrending, so you don't get hurt too much. I don't see too much risk at these levels here. Given market has gone up, significantly. There may be some downside risk here. I don't see too much upside risk. Given we looked at delta 10 on the actually even lower delta here. We looked at let's see 4660 here, delta 6. That's the uh, delta for the call short strike here. That's why I feel pretty comfortable here. You could confirm and send this here and go from there. And for the folks who are not very much used to this platform here, thinkorswim, you could go to my favorite tool here, which is really optionstrat. All right. All right, optionstrat is a great platform here. If you don't have it, I would recommend you to register for a free account in optionstrat. Let's go here and build an iron condor, and let's go to SPX. All right, so we are looking at July 21, as you can see, 34 days out. And on the calls put side, we are at 4,200. Let's go right here. My short strike is 4,200. And my long strike is actually I'm buying back at 41.75. Let's go all the way down here. That's my uh, put side of the house here. On the call side, we can go here. We are at 46.60, selling at 46.60. Let's go right here, 46.60. All right, so 46.60 right there. And we are buying back protection at 46.75 right here. Look, let's make it a little bit easier to see here. That's our average condor, as you can see here. Our net profit is $230, as you can see here. And probability of chance of making profit is 86%. And max loss or your buying power reduction is 2770, as you can see here. Yeah, you might wonder, hey, should I do an iron condor or should I just do the put spread here? I will take you to option strat. Let's compare. Let's go to option strat, one more page here, and let's get the what's the how much you'll get if we just do bull put spread in SPX. Let's go here, SPX, great, and we are at 34 days. That's great, and let's go to 4200 right here. That's where we are selling. That's our short strike, and we are buying back 4175. 4175, there you go. You make $170 here, which is great. So if you're worried about market going up here, this could be a great strategy. You could just sell bull put spread and make $170 here. And look, chance of making profit is 91%. This is a great strategy. I would go with this one here. But if you want to look at, hey, what happens if I just sell a call spread just to make this look a little better here? If you just pull this here, look, that's your call spread here. As long as stock stays about 4198, you would break even. It's also here 4198. Now let's look at the call and see, how much money we get in the call spread. Iron Condor is really a put spread and a call spread. Put spread, we make 170 here. Chance of making profit is 91%. Now if you go to option strat again and look at the call spread here, I could go here and go to bear call spread. And let's look at SPX 34 days. Let's go to 46.60 like we looked at earlier, 46.60. There you go, and we are buying back at 46.75. Let's go all the way here, 46.75. Look, we are just making $70 here on the call side. So chance of making money is 94% as of now. So basically a bear call spread and a bull put spread will constitute this iron condor that we looked at. We are going to make $230, and in this $230 we have big amount of money coming up in put credit spread below the stock price is 170, and we got some small money coming in call credit spread, which is bear call spread. So for the folks who are a little bit worried about market going up and away, you could you could just do the put credit spread here, which will get a good amount of money. Put spreads you generally get a little bit bigger money because folks are worried about market going down. That's why you got a good put credit spread here. So this is my favorite strategy here. You could do this all day long. I would, I would go around 30 days out to be very careful. But if you want to trade a little bit shorter term, you could even go maybe say 15, 20 days out, but don't go too close. There will be too much gamma risk here. That's why I would go 34 or even 30 days out. That way you don't get into gamma risk when market goes up and down violently. So SPX is my hands down favorite trade. You could do the same strategy in other indices like NDX, RUT. RUT is my favorite because RUT is very comparatively more volatile. If I take you here, look at RUT, which is we can look at IWM here. Look at IWM. Let's see here, IWM. Look, IV percentile is slightly higher in IWM, and we got QQQ here. QQQ also IV percentile is a little bit, IV rank is a little bit higher, which is 15. So that's why you could do good money in both the IWM, which is RUT in the index world, and NDX, which is equivalent to QQQ in the index world. All right, so that's about these indices. And one of my favorite stock to trade of late is the Tesla. Tesla, if I go back here, look, Tesla, let's go here. So Tesla has been going up, as you can see here, very nice up move in Tesla. Look, nice up move, and look on the balance volume is going higher in Tesla, and RSI is jumping higher now, showing some signs of coming down, as you can see here. Implied volatility is above the historic volatility, so you get good money in Tesla here. So with Tesla, if you're a daredevil, you could go in here and you could go. Let's close this out here. So if you're a daredevil, I would suggest you go 34 days out, and you could just sell just like I'm doing here. I've been selling to around 245 put here. Look, there's a 33% chance. Delta is 33%. 33% chance that stock might come to 245. Right now, stock is at 260. It's going up here. I've been selling this 245 put. You get some good money here. Look, $12.20. Great money in Tesla. Tesla wants to go higher. It's a good strategy. That's for the naked put selling. But if you want to do a bull put spread here, you could do that too here. You could just go here and do a bull put spread. Let's do here and sell a bull put spread here. All right, so you could sell 245 and you could buy back. Let's look at here. Look, 245, that's a good open interest here. You could buy back here. There's a good open interest, 220. Or even if you want to $10 wide spread here, look, there's a good open interest here also, 230 to 235, 225. Maybe you could do $20 wide, 225. You can buy back here. Let's go here and do 225 here. Look, we are getting a good amount of money here. Look, $610 is a great strategy here. You could do this one here. And you could also do on the call side. Tesla has been going away, but you could go all the way to delta 10 or even below that. Look, we got 360 here. 360 is look, delta 10 is 360. That's far away enough here. You could look at that. Look, there's a nice open interest here at 350 here. Looks like Wall Street is uh, wondering it might go up to this level here. And it's also good open interest right here at 375, as you can see here. Look, option price itself is pretty low here. That's why it's not worth selling on the call side of the house here. You could just confirm and send this here. Let's also go into analyze trade tab here, analyze trade, and see what's going on here. Let's remove all these things. Let's go back here, vertical spread, and let's look at 722. That's great. I think we got everything set here. Look, there's a nice 81% chance of making money here. You're getting a very good $610. You're taking an exposure for 30 days. It's a great strategy here. You could do this for uptrending stocks like Tesla here. And if I take you to this right here to my favorite option strat here, bull put spread, you can say TSLA, Tesla, and we are basically selling a put at 245 right here and buying at 225. So we go 225. Look, you're getting a $610 net trade. That's a great amount. Your margin is 2000 and max profit is 610, as you can see here. It's a great strategy. Works very well on these uptrending stocks like Tesla. All right, so if you want to see what else you can do here, look, I got a very small watch list here. I don't trade too many stocks here. By looking at this very small watch list here, you could see here, got IV rank, ACAD is pretty high. Let's do one thing. We got great small number of stocks here. Let's do one thing. Let me go into my different one here. IV All right, so this is a small list of stocks and ETFs I typically look at on a regular basis here. Let's see what's going on here. Not this one. Let's go back here. All right. So look, this is a very small list of stocks here. As you look through here, we got IV rank. IV rank perspective, Tesla is the one of the highest here at 39. That's why I like to sell credit spreads and even naked puts on Tesla and make some consistent money here. Microsoft, Nvidia also high as you can see here. Look, Microsoft and Nvidia both are going up and away these days. You could do same strategy of a bull put spread here and make some money here. Let's go to Nvidia here. Look, let's bring up Nvidia. Look, Nvidia is going up nicely as you can see here. Very nice chart. On the balance volume is going higher and implied volatility came down as you can see here. And look, still from a MACD perspective, strong. So you can look at these uptrending stocks here and just go right here. 34 days out is good. You could go all the way to Delta, say 20, 15 or so here. Look, we got Delta 15, 345. Keep watching open interest here. Look, there's a nice open interest right here at 350. I would go at 350 here and just sell a bull put spread here. There you go. And 350 and I would say 325, $25 wide spread here. And look, we are selling at 250, buying back at 325. Not too much money as you can see here. Unlike Tesla, we made great money here. With this one here, we are not making good money. It's 92 cents credit. Not too bad, $92. Let's look at confirm and let's look at the analyzed trade here and see what's going on here. Let's go here. All right, so look, we got this one right here. Let's see what else is open. Yeah, that's pretty much. Um, let's go here to the chart. All right, look, there's a nice 82% chance of making money, as you can see here. We can take this to our, we can take this to option strat here and look at what's going on here. Let's do NVIDIA. All right, so NVIDIA, we are doing the four, let's see here. Let's we are doing uh, 350, 325, as you can see here. 350 is our short strike. Let's go all the way here. 350, short strike there, and 325. All right, so look, we are actually, if you look at this one, we are making around $107, pretty good. And look, there's a nice 93% chance of making money here. It's a great strategy here. NVIDIA right now trading at 427, so it's in an up trending mode here with all the artificial intelligence and generative AI. So it's a very low chance of NVIDIA going to 350. We are making good money here. So with that, you can do same thing with the other names here like Microsoft. I will take you to one of my favorite tool here, which is barchart.com here. Look, we got bar chart right here. Bar chart is one of my favorite tool to look at. Hey, what are the options with very high open interest and really trade around those options or stocks. Look, we got Tesla at the top here. I sorted this by total open interest. Let's do one thing. Let's sort it by total open interest here. All right, so we sorted by total open interest. Highest open interest is Tesla, as you can see here. Nice 10,000 or 10 million open interest here. And then you got Apple, Amazon, and so on and so forth. You could also look at the IV rank here. I love when the IV rank is also high. Look, Tesla IV rank is 31.70. That's why I love to trade Tesla here. And if you look down the food chain here, Nvidia has got pretty good IV rank here and nice open interest. You could trade that one also. Sell some bull put spread here. And then you got Ford and Intel also going up off late here. You could sell some bull put spread. Palantir, this is a low price stock. I would not sell put spread on this one here, but it's trying to go higher off late here. So this is a great tool to look at what stocks have got high open interest and what stocks have got high IV rank. It's a great tool. You can use it to trade options and go from there. So with that, we'll end here. Thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.